So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Helens, and you guys, in this video I'm going to show you this Halloween inspired bloody French nail design. I just call it myself bloody French design. I mean bloody French. I'm going to call this nail design bloody French. So if you're going to recreate this bloody French, tag me on Instagram so I can also see your nail design. But before you go ahead and watch this video, go on my social media accounts, show me some love, and then come back and watch this video. So today I'm working on this hand, this silicone hand that I've got from Kupa Inc Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below, and I have to say that this hand creeps me out. It looks so real. It feels so real. I've got this hand because I want to do a lot of nail designs for you guys, but I don't have always clients who would like to do those crazy stuff, so that's why I've got this hand, and it's also easy for you beginners to practice on. So I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. It comes with these nails, so I'm just going to cut these nails to like create a nail bed, because you cannot apply the acrylic directly on the silicone nail bed. So you have to have these press-on nails as a nail bed, and I'm just going to shape them like a almond shape to create that nail bed, because I will use some forms to make them long. So this is how I have cut the nails down, and I'm just going to use my hand file to shape like a nice almond shape, but this almond shape is going to be the nail bed. So just shape the nail how you would like the nail beds to be. But if you are doing it on a client or on yourself, you will just use the forms and create a nail bed on the form. So you don't have to do all these things. But if you have this hand, it's like this is how I'm going to create the nail bed, because you know it's not a real hand. So we have to work with it. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm just shaping it, and I'm going to do that on all the nails. And now I'm using my medium sanding band to like get the shine of the nail, and this is what we will have to do on the natural nail to get the natural shine of the nail. So now I'm applying my super bond, 2 coats of my super bond on the nails. Normally I would apply a thin layer of clear acrylic on the natural nail to prevent any lifting or staining, but because this is a silicone hand and we are not going to do this on a real client, I'm not going to do that part. But if you are going to work on a real client or on yourself, I just recommend to do that step. And I'm using the Coffin Pink from Young Nails to create the nail bed, and I'm using a thin layer of the Coffin Pink because we will be encapsulating the nail with some clear acrylic. So if you guys know me and if you guys are following me for a while now, you guys just know that I just hate using forms. I always have problem with them sticking. They just fall off. I just don't like to use it, but surprisingly, they worked on this silicone hand. It kept sticking on the hand. Like, I would love it to be also on a real hand. But it works for me. Only the thing, I just forgot to get the excess liquid out of my bead, acrylic bead, so that's why it's so runny. So yeah, but after this bead I will be getting the excess liquid off my bead, and it's easier to form the tip then. But I will just start first with the tip of the nail, the length, making the nail the shape that I want. And when I'm done forming the shape and the length of the nail tip, I'm going to use another bead on the center of the nail bed to encapsulate the whole nail, and also to create your apex, and also to get more strength. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to repeat this step on all the nails. So now I'm using my hand file to perfect the shape of the nails, and normally I would use my medium grit bit, but it was pretty perfect. The application was pretty perfect and I didn't have to file too much, so I went in with my hand file to perfect the shape, and then with my medium sanding band to smooth down the surface of the nail. And I will show you the nails when they are cleaned and buffed. So this is how the nails look after filing, buffing and cleaning the nails. And now I'm going to use a small detailing brush. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. And also some burgundy red gel polish to apply on the tip of the nail. I'm just creating that smile line. I'm just going to do a French design on this nail, just a classic French design. So I'm using the brush to create that nail smile line and working it to the free edge of the nail. And when I'm happy with the smile line, I'm just using the brush of the normal gel polish bottle. But you just have to make sure you are happy with your smile line using your detailing brush. And before going ahead and do the other nail, I'm flash curing each nail to make sure that the nail does not get stuck on my own fingers, or that the gel polish will smush. So that's why I will be flash curing each nail after applying the gel polish on the nail. And now I'm also using the detailing brush and also making the smile line, but I'm going to do it like a drippy, blood dripping nail design. And I don't really know how to explain it to you guys, but you just really have to take your time with this and just draw it as you would like it to be. And yeah, this is like kind of freestyling thing, so this is really personal. You just draw the blood like you would have, like you would love it to be. So yeah, you guys, it's really easy to do, but you really have to take your time to do that. So when I'm done drawing the nail polish, the gel polish on all the nail tips, I am going to cure all the nails once again and also apply my matte gel top coat from Cakes Inc Nails. I will put the link for you guys in the description box below. I'm just using the matte top coat on all the nails and always again curing it for 2 minutes on my lamp. So hey babes, if you are still here watching, thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. I really appreciate every one of you guys. Thank you so much. Let me know by commenting a blood emoji in the comment section below so I know that you are still here. And the word that I'm going to teach you guys today from my language Papiamento will be sangue. And sangue means blood. So now I want to apply some Swarovski crystals on the red part of the nail. So I'm using my detailing brush again, and with some clear rubber gel from the gel bottle, I'm applying that on the tip of the nail, or I'm actually applying it where the red gel polish is, so it also can get like a blood glossy kind of look. So I'm just applying the rubber gel top coat, and then I'm going to apply some red Swarovski crystals at the smile line and like kind of making ombre kind of effect with it. You guys can see it on the footage, and just take your time, place the crystals where you would like them to be, and just play around, and then flash your every nail when you're done applying the crystals, because the crystals will like move if you don't cure it under your lamp. So just go ahead and cure it after you're done with the nail. So after applying the gel top coat on all the uh, red parts, I have cured it under my lamp once again to make sure all the nails are cured. And you guys, this is the final result of my bloody French. I just love it. I just think it's so Halloweeny. Love the end result, and I really love the hand. It's so handy dandy, so I can do a lot of crazy nail designs for you guys. And this is how they look with a flash on. Wow, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. I could just wear this myself. Pretty, pretty, pretty nails. Let me know what you guys think of this set in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. Don't forget to like this video if you have liked it. Only if you have liked this video. And don't forget to share this video. Also only if you are interested in this video and you have learned something. And yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.